Hey nerds, Sharon here. Just wanted to pop in and do a video that I've been meaning to do here for a while. I set up DreamHost a little while ago, last month, and I've been wanting to try Hostinger as a host as well, just so I can compare the two and actually try them both and see how I like them on the interface. So if you decide you want to set up Hostinger, the link will be in the description below. It is an affiliate link. I looked through the different options here, and because I'm going to probably do more than one website, I'm going to probably go ahead and go for the business option, because I'm going to do more than one website, and I have a couple of experiments that I'm going to try this year, and so I think that's going to be our best. I'm going to go ahead and click add to cart. They do have a 30-day money back guarantee, so that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and go for the whole 48 months. That's a good discount. If I like them, having that cheap price for that 4 years is really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and go for that. Looks like it's pretty simple to fill all this information out, and it's a pretty good discount there. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and hit submit, and I'll be back with you when I am done with this part. All my payment information went through, and this is the page that it has landed me on. So we're going to go ahead and walk through this and see what it's asking for. I'm going to be creating this for myself. I'll be building it for myself. What type of website? I'm going to do a blog. Although I will be doing maybe an online store, maybe a portfolio, maybe affiliate marketing. Well, definitely affiliate marketing. Do you need help building your website? I don't really, because I know WordPress, but I'm going to go ahead and click yes just to see what happens. I have the domain names registered already, so I don't need to migrate, but I am going to create a new website because I already bought some expired domains and I want to see if I can rebuild those. Okay, I do want to use WordPress, but I also want to try their AI builder. So I think what I'm going to do, let's see, WordPress, let me click AI builder, personalized AI generated website, beginner friendly, no code required, includes e-commerce solution. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do WordPress for now. I may come back and do the AI builder on another domain. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we'll pause the video and come back to you once I get the information set up in here. Now that they've got my login and password for the new WordPress website, it's asking me if I want to add specific plugins. Most of the time, I'm going to say no to all these because it will bloat out. So I'm going to uncheck. And I want to do specific plugins that I want. Hostinger, Amazon affiliate, start earning money with affiliate marketing. I'm going to add that one just because I am an affiliate for Amazon. And then the Google Site Kit, the official plugin from Google for Insights. I'll add that as well. So let's see what happens here. Continue. Okay, select your desired website design. And this is something I'm going to wind up changing later. So this is what you go through if you're starting with Hostinger. You can skip all of this. I'm just going through it. I'm going to click Browse More Templates. Astra. Generate Press. I'm going to go ahead and click Astra. Okay, automate your text creation with AI. Provide your brand name and business details and let ChatGPT handle the rest. We'll generate a few content pieces for your website. The new website that I'm going to do, let me go over here to Namecheap. I use Namecheap for my domains because that's the cheapest and the renewal's the cheapest. So I'm going to sign in here and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in my Namecheap domain details list, and the domain I'm going to put over here onto Hostinger is backyardchickencoopdesigns.com. I know that's a long name, but this one was an expired domain that I bought for cheap, like $10 or whatever. But it actually had some backlinks to it and had some pages, and I'm going to go rebuild it. I'm going to recreate it. It's a website that had expired. I'm experimenting with this, so backyard chicken coop designs. Let's see. This website will be about chicken coops, chickens, keeping chickens, raising chickens, breeding chickens, and all things chickens. Okay, well, that's good enough. Continue. Let's see what it does for me. Use an existing domain. Enter your existing domain name. Continue. Okay, so it does see that my provider is Namecheap. It shows my expiration date. And this is the servers that I have it on, and this is the ones I need to move it to. So I'm going to copy this, go back over to Namecheap, and here I'm going to go to name servers right here. I'm going to drop down this, and I'm going to do custom DNS. I'm going to paste that one there. Go back over here, get the other one, copy, and paste. And click this little check mark to save. Change, okay, required name servers existing. Okay, okay, so if I needed to click here, it would probably tell me how to do it, but I already know how to do it, so, okay. So I'm going to click continue. Okay, so it's confirming all of my, says their server location is in UK, which is fine. That's their, I don't know if I can edit that or not. Actually, I'm going to go to the United States. See if it will let me. North America. Okay, so change. And then your domain name, good there. WordPress, Creator Nerds. That's my admin email, which I will probably change. And the Astro theme. So we're going to hit finish setup. All right, it is setting it up for me. So I'm going to put you on pause and come back when it's done. Okay, it looks like the AI content is being generated right now. Meanwhile, select your next step. To view your website and make any changes, you will need to connect your domain to our name servers from your current registrar. Now, I just did that, but I'm going to go ahead and click connect here anyway, just to see what it says. Let's activate. Okay, to activate your website, change domain servers to Israel. Okay, so let's start. Find old name servers. Actually, it actually shows the right ones. So we're going to click continue. However, I will say this. Once you change a domain name server, sometimes it can take a full 24 hours to go ahead and get the DNS transferred. So it just isn't reading it. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. All set. See, it says name servers require up to 24 hours to work. Use this link to check your name server status. I'm going to click that link. Yeah, it actually shows the correct ones. That's interesting. I've never been to this site. Huh. Okay. So I'm going to close that and click finish. Now I can edit my website, start building your website with WordPress right away, or I can go to the control panel. I think what I'm going to do is go to the control panel this time, and we'll come back to edit the website because I think the content is being generated, and I want to give it a little time to see if the servers are all going to be set up. So let's go to manage site and see what the control panel looks like. That was a very easy setup to me. I mean, there's not a lot of hoops to jump through. So we've got our dashboard set up. We've got our backyard backyardchickencoopdesigns.com. Let's go preview website and see what it shows us. That's pretty blank. Let me go to this home button. Okay, so it's asking me to verify my email, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I do get a free domain. I'm not going to bother with that one just yet because I prefer to get my domains through Namecheap because they're cheaper. I'll have a link for Namecheap in the description as well if you want to get your domains through there. So that is actually how you set up with Hostinger when you have a domain that's registered with another service. In the next video, we'll go through setting up the actual website.